Hello. Hi there, Miss Alex. I have a book for you again. I don't know if you can see it. It's Rabbit and Bear Paws. Sacred 7. This time it's on respect. And do you remember our characters? Rabbit, Bear Paws, and Strawberry, the little girl. Let's see here. Okay. Well, one afternoon, Rabbit and his friends were out collecting birch bark. They spotted a herd of buffalo grazing along their prairie's edge. Rabbit's mother, Clover Blossom, reminded Rabbit to keep his distance. We must respect their space as we share this land with them. If we get too close, they will get spooked and stampede. Do you know what stampede is? It's like yeah, they all run at once, making lots and lots of noise. Okay, Mom, said Rabbit as he watched the buffalo. As the buffalo grazed, Rabbit stuffed some grass into his mouth. Oh, into his mouth too. He chewed and chewed, while Bear Paws only tasted it with the tip of his tongue. Blech! Squawked Rabbit. This tastes like musty old moccasins. Ugh. Musty old moccasins. Crack! Suddenly they heard a ruckus in the distance. They turned toward the meadow and saw horns clashing in the midair. Crash! Clunk! Shrunk! The buffalo were butting heads and locking horns. Sounds like they're fighting, eh? Yep, I think so. Well, Rabbit and Bear Paws chimed, so cool! They ran around mimicking the buffalo's war dance. Why are you butting heads? Strawberry called out. We're scuffling over territory, they hollered back. One of us will be champion of this meadow. They're bumping heads. See them? Cool. Yep, that's what they're doing. They're copying the buffalo, I think, eh? Well, but the boys had butted heads one too many times. The boys landed firmly on the ground, only to see little yellow ducks circling in the sky above them. Suddenly, Strawberry heard a giant whoosh, and then an even bigger crash. The buffalo were leaping over each other. Clover Blossom and Strawberry watched the amazing jump. Whoa, what are they doing? Of course, Rabbit wanted to leap as high as the buffalo. Rabbit thought about his mother's words, but only for a brief moment, and decided to climb a tree anyway. He began to climb a birch tree, one hand after the other, right to the very, very tip. Uh-oh, looks like he's bending the tree, eh? Ah! Screamed Rabbit as he flew through the air. Bear Paws started running as fast as his legs would carry him. He screamed back, I will catch you, Rabbit. Do you think you'll catch him? Probably, eh? He looks pretty pretty tough. Splat! Both of the boys landed flat on their backs in a pool of mud. As they looked up into the bright blue sky, they saw a very unhappy buffalo gazing into their eyes. They squirmed and they felt a squishy feeling all over their muddy bodies. Looked like they made the buffalo unhappy. Well, just as they scrambled out of the mud and up the hill, they quickly realized that they had not respected the buffalo's space. They turned to run as the buffaloes stampeded toward them through a cloud of dust. The hundreds of hooves sounded like rolling thunder in a thunderstorm. This must sound pretty loud, eh? What's happening? The boys leaped into the water to avoid being trampled by the buffalo. Rabbit reminded Bear Paws that he couldn't swim. Bear Paws, help! Can't swim! The young calf that jumped in after the boys heard the fear in Rabbit's voice. He pulled Rabbit to the rocky shore by the scruff of his neck. Like he got saved, eh? He was lucky. Bear Paws stepped onto a rock and pulled both Rabbit and the little calf up out of the water. He held them high on his shoulder and placed them gently on the shore. Yep, they got saved. Father Buffalo was thankful that Bear Paws held his young son, just as Rabbit was thankful that the young calf helped him swim to the shore. Father Buffalo mustered in a deep, deep voice mutual respect and lapped Bear Paws' face over and over and over. Oh, he's giving him kisses. He's saying thank you. The young buffalo calf smiled as he and his dad walked away and catch up with the rest of the herd. Clover Blossom asked the kids, "What did you learn from today's adventures?" Bear Paws, we must respect the animals, just as they respect us. Strawberry, don't go swimming with so many animals. Rabbit, buffalo have really big smiles. The end. Cool. There you go, Alex. The family picture. Hope you liked that story. I love you, baby.